Let's get this bad boy cleaned. The way I do it. Half and half, so cold and boiling water. And of course, pretty boy to the rescue. But that bad boy, the hose ain't gonna be as clean as it's supposed to be. And then what we're gonna do now, get this right in here. Give a little mix. The rest of the paint, what's in the hose, that's all been dispatched. So now it's literally just a case of using that and that to clean the holes. Let's go. The first bucket was with pretty boy. Hello, Uncle Brian. Now the final bucket. So obviously that's 99.9%. Everything has been rinsed out the hose. Now we're going to use another bucket of clear water. Rinse it once more. Job done. Bob's your uncle. Nice and clean.